Hi everyone, I'm Hannah from the Monash Health Library. This video will demonstrate how to perform an advanced search using Google Scholar, how to set up email alerts, and how to create a Google Scholar profile. Google Scholar is used for finding traditional peer-reviewed literature, including academic papers and theses, publications, including books and abstracts, and other grey literature. These are sourced from professional societies, online repositories, universities, and other websites. To access Google Scholar, type Google Scholar into Google, and it should be the first link that pops up. Alternatively, go to scholar.google.com.au. There are two ways to search. The first is by typing in your search terms in the search bar shown here. You can search for exact phrases using quotation marks. The second is the advanced search. Click on the three horizontal bars in the top left-hand corner and then click on advanced search. There are multiple editable fields, including searching for an exact phrase, searching via keywords, or searching for a specific author. Choose what fields are most appropriate for your search. To get notified of new publications, create an email alert. You can customize your alert with the filters on the left-hand side, such as date range or document type. Click Change Email and type in the email you would like the alert to go to. Please note this doesn't have to be a Gmail address or a Google account. You can choose whether you want to include less relevant results in your alert by ticking the box, then click Create Alert. If this is the first time you have set up an alert, you will receive a verification email. Click Confirm on the email and your alert is created. Your alerts will list articles related to your search parameters. To delete an alert, scroll to the bottom of the email and click Cancel. You can also create email alerts when logged into your Google account. You can know that you are signed in if you see the person icon in the top right-hand corner. Create an alert in the same way as before, enter in your search and click Create Alert. It will automatically preload your Google account email. To manage your alerts, navigate to the Google Scholar homepage. Click on the three horizontal bars in the top left-hand corner, then click on Alerts. You can see all of your alerts here in one place and create or cancel an alert from this page. Lastly, I am going to demonstrate how to create a Google Scholar profile. Navigate to the Google Scholar homepage and click on My Profile in the top left-hand corner. Enter your details such as name and affiliation. Tick your author name or articles. These articles will then be linked to your Google Scholar profile. Lastly, adjust your profile settings as required and click Done. To view your profile, navigate again to the Google Scholar homepage, click on My Profile, and this is what it will look like. Profile details can be edited at any time with the pencil icon. And profile alerts can be edited by clicking on Following. A pop-up will appear where you can get notified for new articles related to your research. Just before we conclude, I want to flag one last thing. As Google Scholar only indexes singular articles, if you are looking to create alerts for specific journals, we recommend using Browsing or Read by QXMD. Browsing is accessible via the Monash Health Library website under Journals A to Z. Alternatively, you can use Read by QXMD, which is accessible via databases and apps. If you have further questions about anything covered in this video or other library resources or services, please visit our website at monashhealth.org/library or email library@monashhealth.org. Thank you for watching.